Hello everybody, welcome back again, and today also we have brought you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add new contacts in WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, what we can do is we can simply go ahead, open our WhatsApp first and tap on at this icon, which is like a message icon below. Tap on this new contact option and go ahead, add that person's name and tap on this save option. So that contact is now saved. You can see the tool was added to your contact, and if I go ahead and search that particular name over here, you can see that person's contact is there, and the person does not, with this number, the person does not have a WhatsApp account, so you will have to send an invite link to them. They will get notified, and that person will tap on that link and will be able to get added and get notified that you have added them on WhatsApp. So this is how you can simply do it. Otherwise, what you can do is, if that person do have a WhatsApp account, even if you tap save that person's contact, here in your contact list that person will have an option of a WhatsApp option. If that person does, let me show you. So this person already has a WhatsApp, so you will find this option automatically if that person has WhatsApp and you have saved them in the contacts. If that person does not, you gotta do it the first method, sending an invite link. So yes guys, this is how you can add them. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.